po, right shape inspection. So tingnan yung barko namin kung good condition pa ba. So pusing namin yung engine cadet. So right shape inspection po ito. So ayan. So sana bumasa na naman kahit kunting bitin sila. Thank you so much for watching. Let's continue other day. So yan, right shape inspection ito. Tapos na yung lifeboat sa rescue boat. Okay naman. So yan, akit kami ng right shape inspection. So yan, PG 40 nutrition. Right. So right shape inspection na naman. So saan pumasa. So yan.